Are you still adding your website form leads or enquiries manually to Google Sheet? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly, and in this video I am going to show you how you can save website enquiries directly to Google Sheets using Pabbly Connect. So for building this automation, I am going to use an amazing application provided by Pabbly, that is Webbook by Pabbly, which is going to be used for connecting my website form. And here, as soon as I will receive a new lead over my website form, I am going to add the details in the Google Sheet. So if you also want to create this amazing automation for your own business too, then let me take you towards my screen. Now let's save our website form leads to the Google Sheet. So for that, I have built in this automation inside Pabbly Connect. But before I tell you the step-by-step process of creating this automation, let's see the real-time working and understand its impact on your business. So here you can see I'm landed to my website form where I'm going to fill this form, providing full name as smart user, email smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number as well. And now I'm going to submit this form, and here you can see my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether the details of my website form lead is saved over there or not. So here you can see this is the Google Sheet where I'm saving my data, and here I'm getting three fields, that is full name, email, and the phone number. And here the same data which I have recently filled over my website form lead is saved, that is full name smart user, email smartuser@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number as well. So now you can also save your website form leads to the Google Sheet in just 10 minutes. So now let me show you how you can create this amazing automation. But before that, let me show you the surprise which I have bought for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you exclusive discounts on your purchase for the Pabbly. So this is your chance to get instant savings and automate your whole business. So what are you waiting for? Use this coupon code STUYT and take your business to the next level. And now for creating this automation, you have to access Pabbly Connect. And for accessing the Pabbly Connect, open the new tab and type its URL. That is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will be getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user, then you have to simply click over the sign up free, and when you create a new account over the Pabbly Connect, then you can get 100 free tasks every month for practicing Pabbly Connect. And if you already have an account, then you can simply click over this sign in. But before moving on forward towards Pabbly Connect, I'm going to tell you something exciting about Pabbly Community. So this is the page of Pabbly Community where automation users, marketers, and business owners gather to share their ideas, ask questions, and get new updates regarding using the Pabbly application. So you can also join Pabbly Community now and grow your business with us. And I have provided the link of the Pabbly Community in the description. So go and join our Pabbly Community now. And now let's move on towards our Pabbly Connect, where I'm going to simply click over this sign in. And once you log in or sign up your account, then you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where you can see all the products provided by Pabbly. And now as we are going to create an automation by integrating different applications, then we will be using this Pabbly Connect app. So now let's click over this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, which can be seen here. And here you can see all these folders where I have organized my all workflows by integrating different applications. And if you also want to create a folder for organizing your automations, then you simply have to click over this create a new folder button, and here you have to provide the folder name, and if you want, you can even select the parent folders for better organizations. But now I'm going to create a workflow. So for that, you simply have to click over this create workflow button, and here you will be getting this option for selecting the workflow builder. And here we are getting two workflow builder, that is beta, which is modern, faster, and more flexible, and another workflow builder, that is classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I'm going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So now let's click over this select button, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter my workflow name. So now let's provide it. So here I'm providing it the name add website form leads to Google Sheet, and here I'm going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, and here we are landed to our workflow page where we are getting this option for adding the trigger. So trigger is our first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case I want to initiate my workflow as soon as a new website form lead is received. So for building the connection between website form and Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use an amazing application provided by Pabbly, that is Webbook by Pabbly. So here I'm going to simply click over this add trigger button, and here you can see this application by using which I'm going to connect my website form with Pabbly Connect. And here I'm going to select my app event as catch Webbook, and here I have selected it. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are getting this Webbook URL which is going to act as a bridge between Pabbly Connect and website form. So now let's copy it, and now let's move on towards the code which I have created for my this website form. So now let's move on towards the code. So here you can see this is the code I have created for my website form, and after this word fetch I'm going to add the webbook URL which I have recently received from a Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to paste it, and now let's save this webbook URL in our code. So here I'm going to simply click over this save. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect. And here you can see this Webbook by Pabbly is waiting for the webbook response. Now for providing the webbook response, let's receive a new lead over our website form. So here I'm going to refresh my form, and now I'm going to fill this form providing full name as demo user, email demoUser@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number as well. Now let's submit this form, and here our form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching the data or not. So here you can see in my Pabbly Connect 7 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response A, with all the fields and the same details which I have recently filled over my website form. So this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app, and now we are going to perform the action, means we are going to add this lead to our Google Sheet. So for that we just have to click over this add new action step button, and here I am going to select my action app, that is Google Sheets, which can be seen here, and afterwards I am going to select my app event as add new row. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are landed to this connection page where for building a new connection you have to sign up with your Google account, but I am going to use my already built-in connection or existing connection. So now let's click over this save button, and here our connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting some of the fields. So the first field we are getting for selecting the spreadsheet. So here I am going to select the spreadsheet where I want to save the details of my website form leads. So here you can see this spreadsheet, that is website form leads, where I am going to add the data. So you can see this spreadsheet where I am going to save my website form leads details, and now we are getting these fields for entering the full name, email, and the phone number of my lead. Now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type the full name, email, and phone number of my lead, but no, I'm going to perform mapping. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the full name, email, and the phone number from the response which I'm receiving from my previous application, that is Webbook by Pabbly. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select this slash sign, and you will be getting all your previous application. So here I'm getting this Webbook by Pabbly, by using which I'm going to map the full name of my lead, which can be seen here. So here I have mapped the full name, and now I'm going to map the email. So here I have mapped the email as well, and now I am going to map the phone number. So here I have mapped all these details, and these fields will be dynamic, means you don't have to manually enter or map your data again and again. The response will be replaced as the new website form lead will be received. And now we just have to click over this save and send test request, but before that make sure to select your response format as simple. And now let's click over this save and send test request button, and here you can see we are receiving a positive response which demonstrate that we have successfully built in our connection. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet and check whether we are receiving the details of our website form leads over there or not. So here you can see I'm landed to my spreadsheet named as website form leads, where I'm successfully receiving the same full name of my lead, that is demo user, the same email and the same phone number. So now you have seen that how easily I have added my website form leads to Google Sheet within few minutes. So you can also create this amazing automation for your own business too. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you have any doubt, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.